Good evening, folks. Here we go again with another beautiful 2009 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor with only 67,000 miles and 1,000 idle hours. This vehicle was a California Highway Patrol unit. It came out of the Yuma field office, Yuma, California, so no rust on it whatsoever. Folks, as you can see, the vehicle is black and white, so I decided to keep it black and white. I'm gonna put a nice, fair, decent price on it. The price will be firm. I'm not gonna negotiate on it, but I'm keeping it black and white for now, and I'm sure somebody will want it. Vehicle has been completely serviced, has been detailed, and it is turnkey, ready to go anywhere. Folks, the vehicle has been registered. I do have up-to-date plate, stickers, registration, and title to my name. This vehicle is also E85 okay, so flex fuel is okay with this vehicle. I must point out the vehicle did come with a tow hitch. As you guys can see, I decided to leave that alone, but if you are the new customer and you want me to remove it, I can go ahead and do that, or I can leave it in place. Sometimes I do get random requests for tow hitches and I don't have them, so this vehicle does have one and I'm leaving it alone. So if you want it, great. If you don't, I'll remove it. Before I forget, this vehicle does have a new set of Goodyear RSA Eagles. The ones that came with the car. DOT was back from 2013, and I wasn't gonna leave those tires in place. So guess what? I got you a new set. Wheels are nice and black. They're glossy from the department. So here it is. I do have clear lights and lenses in the front. Everything does work. This was once again a California Highway Patrol, and it was a slicked up unit, so no light bar. Only 4 holes on this bad boy. Once again, I'm leaving those the way they are. I don't know if you want to do something with it, but there they are. Vehicle is super clean, in an immaculate running conditions. Very few minor scratches on the original paint. As you guys can see, the front doors, they were painted black by the department, but the rest of the car looks great. This will be an easy fix for whoever buys it. All you need to do is paint, or you can keep it the way it is, or you can even wrap it. Whatever your calling is, you can make it happen. I do have a beautiful matching interior. Carpet floors. The vehicle only did come to me with 3 floor mats. They're in the trunk. The carpet looks really good. Rear doors are fully operational from inside and out of the vehicle. So door lock switches, rods, everything is in place. Electric seating. This is gonna be a Charlie 5 rear differential, 327 neutral, perfect for highway driving. Again, this was a California Highway Patrol. Perfect seats. Perfect carpeting. Perfect dash, no holes on it whatsoever. Folks, behind this flex plate here, this is something the CHP has put in all their vehicles. They don't want their officers with AM/FM radio, but the factory plugs and antenna, they're right behind this little plate. Just pop it out with a flat tip and you are good to go. Okay, so it's gonna go the way it is. How it works. Electric retractable pedals. Let's fire her up real quick. Let's see if I can clean this up here for you guys. There it is, 67,000 miles. Highway original miles. So far, I'm responsible for 87 miles driven and counting. 1,000 idle hours, and I'm sure that's gonna be a little bit higher. The car is registered, so I'm gonna be driving it around a bit more just to make sure everything's good. Let's go under the trunk real quick and under the hood. Perfect headliner, no ticket light. Dome lights do work. There is no signs of a cage ever installed on this vehicle, so it's super clean, guys. Super clean. Let's look back here, see if I can get it to clean up. Nope, but there's no signs of a cage ever installed in it. Clean this up here for you guys again. Okay, the vehicle does have a police trunk pack kevlar here. What it appears to be a brand new spare wheel and tire. No, correction, not the wheel, but a spare tire, floor jack right here. This is usually where the CHP vehicles have their floor jacks with their special made bracket. So there it is. What you see here is what you will get, folks. Nothing less, nothing more. Again, the front doors were painted by the department. Nice glossy wheels from the department. New tires by me. Clear lights and lenses. Original equipment, Ford. Folks, as you can see, I didn't put the shiny stuff on this vehicle. Why? Because if you buy this car from me and you want to take it into the paint job, it's better for you to have it like this, because it will be a lot easier to clean it off versus if you had the shiny stuff, because the dust will stick to it. Okay, here she is. Once again, the vehicle is in great running condition. She doesn't need anything whatsoever. And now we'll go through those services with you in a quick minute or two. Starting right to left, I did check the air filter. The air filter looked good, so I put it back in place. Throttle body was serviced, cleaned out. And yes, at 67,000 miles, the spark plugs needed to be replaced. The department usually do those plugs at 70, 80,000 miles. So guess what? I went ahead and put 8 new Motorcraft brand new spark plugs. Air conditioner was serviced and cleaned out. Correction, air conditioner was serviced and recharged, so it's nice and cold. And I get to that in a minute. I do have a brand new AC Delco battery kicking 850 cold cranking amps. Vehicle appears to have a fairly new radiator and condenser. I don't think they were ever replaced, but again, the vehicle does have 67,000 miles. There are no dust bunnies in here whatsoever. The story that I got behind this car was it sat in the parking lot for a long time. I do have fresh engine, full synthetic engine oil service that was done to it. Dry belt looks good. The vehicle does have new brakes and rotors from the department. Rear brakes are about 80%. Rear differential was checked and it's nice and full, and the fluid does look goldish, so that means it's super clean. And just so you know, the vehicle does have a brand new, fully rebuilt transmission. Yes, that is correct. When I first bought the car, I bought it knowing that it had a possible transmission issue. There was a little bit of slippage, but nothing big that had me worry. However, let me close the door. However, I did have the transmission rebuilt, fully rebuilt inside and out. So the vehicle does have a full rebuilt transmission. It comes with a 1 year, 12,000 miles warranty. And also on top of that, I had my transmission guy installed a new independent transmission cooler to protect the new transmission. So there you have it, folks. Any question, comments, please feel free to give me a call, text me. Once again, this is a 2009 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor California Highway Patrol vehicle with only 67,000 miles, fully serviced, turnkey ready, new tires, new brakes, new fluids, new transmission. So there it is, folks. I'm over my little 10 minutes here, so I'd like to thank you for watching. You guys have yourself a great weekend, or a great remaining part of the week, and a good weekend. I should have just left that alone the first time. Anyway, this is the Crown Victoria signing off. You guys have yourself a great weekend, and thanks for watching. Thank you.